Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2006 Nissan Patrol, stock number 6078. It's ran from 05 2000 to 03 2007. It has a Y61 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine backed by a 5-speed manual transmission. This is a Y61 3-litre 4-cylinder turbo diesel engine. Left front snorkel. Left front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left front door mirror. Left front door no dents. Left rear door no dents. Left rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Left rear tail light. Rear tailgate separates into two, no dents. Spare wheel. 17-inch spare wheel, good tyre. Right rear tail light. Right rear 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right rear door, 1 dent. Right front door, 2 dents. Right front guard, no dents. Right front headlight needs polish. Right front 17-inch factory alloy made good tyre. Right front door mirror. Right front door card. Right front master switch, centre console lid, manual gear stick, heater AC controls, aftermarket touchscreen stereo, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, factory 4-spoke leather steering wheel with some wear on upper edge, instrument cluster,